Hi there, welcome to the email template support. So in this video, I'll show you how to edit a HTML email template without HTML knowledge. So this is our HTML email template. In some scenario, you have to edit HTML email template. Suppose you want to make a little change here, but don't want to pay your developer or don't have a developer for the quick task. So you can do it yourself without knowing any HTML. In other scenario where your email service provider does not support visual editing, MailChimp does support the visual editing like this. Once we upload the template on our account and we hover over the contents, you will see that there is the editing option. You will see there is the editing options here, and you can change your text from here, update your image from here, update your text from here. But the email service providers like SendGrid, Constant Contact, etc. does not have these visual editing capabilities. The email service provider like MailChimp, Campaign Monitor, Email Autopilot, etc. provides the visual editing support, but the platforms does not have the visual editing support like SendGrid. You see the SendGrid template is here, and here just the code. You cannot edit it from here. So for these platforms, you have to make the edits in the HTML file directly. To edit the HTML template directly, you have to have any HTML editor. I am using the brackets editor. You can download it from the brackets.io. You can download it free on your Mac or Windows. After downloading, you have to just right click on it and open it with brackets. Here you will see all the codes, but I mentioned that you don't have to be a HTML expert to edit this. So let's see how I can do it without HTML knowledge. Open this file on a browser. I am using the Firefox. You can use the Google Chrome as well. So I am using the Firefox for now. So how to edit these things? First, you have to find out the text inside the HTML. Finding this text into the HTML is a little hard. So let's make it easy. Suppose you have to change this line. Just copy some text from here and go the brackets and then find, and then go to find, click on the find and paste your text here by pressing Command V or Control V depending on your operating system, and you'll see that text is here. You can add your new text here and then save it. When you reload the file on your browser, you can see the text is changed. Suppose you want to change this part, then go here, copy this, find this and change it from here, and then finally save it. How to change the images? The images in HTML email template are directly hosted on the websites. If you have WordPress website or any other website, you can upload your images directly there. Or if you use any email service provider like MailChimp or something like SendGrid or any other thing, they have the image or file library as well. I'm showing you both. Here you see there is the option of your images here inside the SendGrid, and you can drag and drop your images from here. Suppose I have this image here already uploaded. You can upload your image from clicking here and select it from your drive. So as I have an image already, so I can click on it and you see the copy image URL. You need this URL to use URL to copy and to replace your image. How to find out this image inside your HTML code? Just right click, copy image link, go to brackets, find, I am pressing keyboard command to find. I'm on a Mac, so I'm pressing Command F. If you are on Windows, you can press Control F. So I am pasting it here by pressing Command V. And you will see the image URL is here. Here is the URL. You can simply copy the URL from here and change your link from here. Just replace this with your new URL. And when you reload it, you see the new image is here. So that's how you need to change the images. For a template with the background images, there is some more workaround you have to do. Right click on the empty space, click on the open image in new tab, then copy this path and find it inside the code. There can be many instances, like here we see the 3 instances. I am just replacing them all. You will find the replace menu here as well, the replace, and you can replace, and you can paste your new copied link of any image here. Suppose right here I am pasting the new image code, and here you change the background image. So that's how you can change anything in your email template. To change the link, if you want to, suppose you want to change this image link, go to the image, copy image link, and go to the image, and then you will find a href option, hyper reference. Here you can see any code or something like hash. If the link is empty, then you can put your link here, replacing the hash. If you don't see the href option there, you can just write down this code and work with this code. These two pieces of code are very easy, and you can just add this code warping the image. This is the image code, image to image. This is the image code, and you can simply warp it with a href hyperreference anchor tag like this. Suppose you want to change the visit website, this link, then you can find out the visit website, here you see the visit website, and the anchor link is here, you see, and you can change it with your new link. And then finally, don't forget to click on the save button. And that's it. That's how you can change anything of an HTML email template. If you have any other questions, please feel free to let me know in the comments below, or email us at task@theemailtemplate.com. In our next video, I will show how to edit any HTML email template visually. Before you go, I can show you how to host the images on MailChimp. Go to the MailChimp, go to the Content Studio, and go to the My Files. Then you can upload your image from here. If you have a WordPress website, then you can host your images in the media library. Add new, drag your files from here. Suppose I need to use this image on my email template, then click on this image and then copy the file URL and then paste your URL with any image that you want to change. So if you want to change with this image, you can just replace with it. You see the image is a little squashed. To stop this, you have to know the image height and width properly. Try to match the existing height and width. Use an image that matches this height and width. If you just simply follow this ratio, then it will be perfect. Or if you can do the image editing a little bit on Canva or Photoshop, that will be fine as well. Just follow the ratio that you have on the email template. Otherwise, you can just change your ratios from here. The sizes you find from here. So that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or mail us at task@emailtemplate.com. Bye for today.